Okay, so to begin creating your first website within the software, once you've logged into your account and you've landed here on the dashboard, go ahead and click on the Sites feature here on the left-hand sidebar. This will automatically redirect us to the funnel section within Sites. So now what we want to do is click on the Websites tab up here in the top corner. Now within here, this is where we're going to be able to manage all of our previously created websites, as well as create any new websites within our accounts. So we've given you full customization and freedom into website building. You can have unlimited websites inside of your accounts with unlimited pages inside of those websites. So to create a new website, click on the New Website button up here in the top right corner. This will open up a new tab asking you to either create a website from scratch or to create a website from a template. Now, if you click on templates and then click continue, you're going to see it opens up a new window with a list of 1,000 plus different website templates that we have pre-built and included into the software for you to use and personalize to your business in just a few clicks. You can filter these templates down by categories, down by types, and also by tags. You can also search and rank them by most popular versus most recent, and it'll display them in the order that you select. However, for the purposes of this tutorial, we're going to X out of this, going to go back to new website, and we're going to start a website from scratch. We're going to call our website test, and we're going to click on create. Once our website is created, it will show a blank page here, prompting us to add a new page. So if we click on add new page, we can type in the name of our page, which we're going to call homepage. And another cool feature that you can do inside of websites is import sites and funnels from ClickFunnels directly into your account. So if you're a ClickFunnels user and you want to bring those websites and those funnels into one umbrella, such as this software, you can just copy and paste the ClickFunnels link for that funnel or website into this box, click create new page, and it's actually going to import element by element every single piece of that website and funnel that is on ClickFunnels into your account and allow you to use this natively within the software and have everything under one umbrella. For the purposes of this tutorial, we don't have a ClickFunnels URL, so we're just going to stick with homepage and click create new page. And as you can see, this created a new page here on our website. If we wanted to create another page, we would click add a new page. And this one we might call About Us, and then click Create New Page. And you can see this will create another page next to the original page. And now we have two pages, one home page and one About Us page. So to start editing one of these pages, you can either click Use Existing, and you can clone an existing website or page and use that as your template or your starting point when creating your page. Or you can just click Create from Blank or click Edit. So this will now open up the website builder within your account. So in here, this is where we can add sections, we can add all of our elements, we can add all of our colors, all of our branding, and really just begin building our website and establishing our presence and our brand that's going to be ready to be published online. However, to understand the website builder, we need to understand the hierarchical structure of how the sections, rows, and elements work so that we can understand as you get into the building process of your own website, you understand exactly how this builder works and how you can use it to your advantage. So our builder is a modular system where we use sections, we use rows, and then we use elements to start structuring the skeleton of our websites. All websites begin with a section. So a section can be a full width all the way down to a small section. So if I add a full width section here, you can see it's added a section into our site in this highlight green. Sections work to isolate different parts of our website into sections so that we can split up the content into different parts across our website, making navigation easy for our viewers and our prospects. Now, rows exist to be placed inside of sections. So everything starts with a section and then it starts with a row. And now inside of rows are columns that come preloaded inside of your rows. So columns work to divide content that will be placed inside of our rows. So you could have one column spanning the entire width of the page, two columns side by side, all the way up to 6 columns side by side to separate content across one line. So for the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to choose 2 columns. And now you can see we have a row, which is surrounded in a blue outline with a pink column titled first column, and then second column right next to that. And inside of columns, we can add elements. And now elements are the things that we want to visually see on a website, such as headlines, subheadlines, text, buttons, forms, images, videos, calendars, navigation menus, one-step and two-step order forms, baskets, and order confirmations. So to add any of these elements into your website, just click on any of these elements that you want to add. So in this case, let's add a headline. And now we can see we have a headline added to our website. Now let's say we want to add an image right next to that. So we click on add element here. We'd find the image card, click on the image card, and now we have an image ready here on our website. To edit the image that we want to place inside of our website, we would click on the media icon here in the settings tab of that image. This will then open up a new tab of which we can select our image and add this to the image on the website. And now you can see this image has been placed onto our website. Okay, so let's say now we want this to look more like a proper website, because this is not going to be our website. So let's say we want to add a navigation bar to the top of our website here so that visitors can navigate our website to the pages they want to view. So let's delete all of this content by deleting this section, and then go back to the plus icon, go back to sections, and we're going to add a full width section. In here, we're going to add a column that spans the full width, and we're going to add an element, and that element is going to be a navigation menu. So now here we have a navigation menu at the top of our homepage with the name of our business, a small icon, and then some clickable links here, which will bring us to pages. Let's say we wanted to adjust these buttons here so that by clicking on About, it actually brings us to the About page on our website. Well, if you click on the element itself, you can adjust all the settings here on the left-hand side. So let's say we click on the About section here, click on Edit, and then within here, we can choose the title of the name. So let's say we want About Us. Then point to a page, and that page is going to be About Us. And then we can either have it open up in a new tab or the same tab. We're going to disable that and have it in the same tab, and then click Submit. We can see this is changed to About Us. And if I click this, it would bring me to the About Us page within our website. So what we've tried to do here with the website builder is give you the freedom and functionality to build anything that you want that truly represents your business and your brand. And most importantly, allow you to grow your business and tailor the user experience to the best experience it can be for the end user to give you the best chance of securing leads and growing your business. So you can see up here in the top left corner, we have a bunch of more features that we've embedded into the website builder to give you that freedom and functionality. So to start with, you can view all the layers within your website by clicking on the layers icon. You can view all the different pages within your website and quickly navigate between the different pages. You can embed tracking codes into the header and footer of your website. This can be as many codes as you like, and it can be completely custom to any platform. You can edit the custom CSS. So if you wanted to break free of some of the limitations of the website builder and you're familiar with code, then you can get as creative as you like with your custom CSS and start creating some custom code within here. You can also change the typography, and you can change all of the fonts and colors across all your websites. You can change the background image and background color. You can change all the pop-up settings across your website. You can update all the SEO metadata to ensure that your website ranks first on Google listings. You can preview and disable custom codes in the builder to help if needed. And you can also set up a one-click cookie consent banner so that if you live in a region that has data protection laws, you can still easily and without stress enable a compliant feature that will allow you to stay compliant within your region and have no stress about collecting data and collecting leads. So we've embedded a mobile mode right next to a desktop mode to allow you to optimize both platforms and ensure that the traffic coming from both platforms is optimized and giving you the best opportunity to land and secure leads. And then finally, we have the preview button up here in the top left corner. We have the save button if you wish to save your website but not publish it and come back to it another time and pick up your progress. And then we have the publish button when you're ready to publish, connect your domain, and make the website live. So that is a quick overview of the website builder inside of our platform. If you have any questions whatsoever, please feel free to reach out to our team and we'll be more than happy to help. However, I would personally recommend spend some time in this website builder, play around with it, add some elements, build the skeleton of your website and really figure out how this website builder works. And I promise you, within 10-15 minutes of playing with this, you're going to understand exactly how this builder works and exactly how you can make some great looking websites within the platform.